There's a Gibson air conditioner. Actually, you know what? This may be a Nordyne because there's no. It's a piece of junk. This may be just a plain Nordyne because there's no Gibson logo. No, just a plain Nordynes. Don't have any logos. Got filter dryer. There's a disconnect. There's a Copeland scroll compressor. Model number is JS58D030KA. See, it even says 2.5 ton right there. Serial JSF 08 01 10 23 53. It's from the first week of 2008. So, good unit, in my opinion. Well, actually, not really a very good unit, but it's okay, I guess. Anyways, I'll run out.
Hold your stuff up. Hold it, throw your back. What you do is throw your wet towel inside of your laundry, okay, inside the trash bag. Really? Yes. It's the way up, we'll get you up there. Just lay down here. Okay, you got straps? Good. Alright. So first thing you do,